Hello YouTube. Today I'll be talking to you about the dominant 7, sharp 9, sharp 5 on the 3. Sounds like this. Alright, so I just got this software and I decided to test it out doing this tutorial so that you have this better visualization of what I'm playing. So we'll be doing this chord in the key of F sharp, but I'll be playing it over the 3. So what is this chord? The dominant 7, sharp 9, sharp 5, or let's say the dominant 7. Usually the dominant 7 leads you to a chord. For instance, it leads you to the 4 above. So say, let's say in the key of C, a C dominant 7, this chord leads us to the 4. So C to the 4. That's the dominant 7 chord. It has the propensity to lead you to the 4 above. So when we play a dominant 7 in the key, on the 3rd, okay, let's use C. On the 3rd, it is supposed to lead us to the 6th. Why? Let's see. In key of E, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So this is the 4. Normally this dominant chord will lead you to this in key of E. Since we are in key of C, playing this dominant 7 chord will lead us to the 6th. So it is used as a passing chord to the 6th. So you can add that to your 7, 3, 6. That's how we got the 7, 3, 6 progression. So you can play the 7 before the 3 dominant 7 chord, then finally to your 6th. Also, we can use this chord as a passing chord to the 4. So from the 3 to the 4. But I'll be doing this in the key of F sharp. Alright, so first I'll talk to you on how to form the chord. Then I'll show you using the chord as a passing chord to the 4. So let's begin. So this is how we form the chord. I'll show you a quick way of forming this chord so that you always remember in any key you are playing the chord on. So before you continue, don't forget, I will show you a quick lick, a quick 7-3-6 lick that you can apply in your play at the end of the video. So try to watch the video to the end. So, alright, so this is the formation of the chord. First of all, in your key, whatever key you are playing on, let's say we are in F sharp. So in any key you are playing, these are 1, these are 1, 2, 3. First, since we are forming the chord on the 3, we are going to play the 3 with our left hand. Then play a flat 6. This is what we are going to play on our left hand. Then play a major chord on your right hand. At the top note. Then raise your thumb from this first note to the second. So you're like playing an add 9 here, or add 2, as you can see on the MIDI clause. So when you add this other 3 and flat 6, you get the chord. This is a B flat dominant 7, sharp 9, flat 13, or sharp 5. Alright, so that's for the key of F sharp. Let's try it in the key of C. So these are 1, so we go to the 3. Then you play the flat 6. These are our 6, flat 6. Then you play the major chord. You find the major chord here. Add the last note, then raise this one to the next. You see? So these are E, 7, sharp 9, sharp 5. Let's try that in the key of C sharp. You go, these are 1, these are 3, these are 6, flatten the 6, and you play the. So this is how you form the chord in every key. So once you get that in your mind, you can apply this chord in any key. So let's see, if we want to play this chord before going to the 4. Remember, we can play the 3 to the 4 as a passing chord. So let's use the song He is exalted. He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I. So I'm playing in key of F sharp. So that song goes like this. He is exalted. Then it goes to the 3. The King is exalted, and I. But we want to play that chord, so we just replace that 3, that normal 3, with this our newly learned chord. So He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I. So I just did a major 9 there. That's for my left hand. Right hand. So while I'm holding this chord like this, remember this is the exact chord I'll play on the 3rd on my right hand. So I'm not changing anything on this right hand. That's my right hand. This is my first chord, F sharp major 9. So what I'm just going to do is to replace my left hand with this before going to the 4. So He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I praise Him. Alright, so that's how we move from the 3 to the 4. So you can apply that in any song going to the 4. You can play that 3 before going to the 4. Now let's see how we apply this in a 7-3-6 progression. So before going to the 6, play a 7-3-6. We'll use this song. I love you forever, I love you forever, I love you forever, Lord. So still in the key of F sharp. So we are going to do a simple 7-3-6. Then we'll replace it with our chord. Then I'll quickly show you the lick. So the song is starts on the 4. I love you. Yeah. I love you forever. I love you. So that part, that space, that's where we'll apply our 7-3 before going to the. So something like this. I love you forever. You see how many counts? I love you. So before we go to I love you, we'll apply the 7-3-6. So alright, so we'll play something like this. I'll play it slowly. I love you. Let me play that again. Start on the 4. That's our 7-3-6. Simple 7-3-6. Let me show you what I was doing there. So the song starts on the 4. These are melodies, so try as much as possible to play the melody on the top. So I use this chord as our 4. These are on B, R2. So my left hand is playing the B, right hand, C, F sharp, B, C sharp, E flat. So you can as well lower this down to make it a measure 9, like this. I love you. Then we go to the 4 forever. So the next chord, the 7, will be obviously the 7 on my left hand, which is F, then 6. Right hand, since the melody is still here, we are going to use the 2 and we flick the 5 and the 6. This is the chord we are going to use, F minor 7. This is the chord we're going to use. This is our 7th chord. Then the 6th chord will be like this. This is a B flat 7. So 3, remember, flat 6, then 2, flick from the 5 to the flat 6. So before going to the 6. Sorry about that. Alright, so I love you. Okay, so that's the 736 to get to that chord. Now let me quickly show you the walk or the lick, whatever it is. I'll play it slowly, then I'll show you the notes. So the lick is just to replace the 736 we just did, using same song. So it's gonna sound like this, starting from the 4. So let me do that slowly. Now simply I'll play a walk down from the flat 5 to the 4, 3, flat 3. Then my left hand plays the 7 and the 6, just like our 7 chord. So this will start as our 7 chord, 7 chord. Then you hit the 6. Then our left hand goes to the 3, or play the, then the right hand. So this is typically not the chord I showed you, but this is a dominant 7, B flat dominant 7, which is still chord that is used to move to the 6. So I love you. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, just click that button below, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, drop your comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you.